Plants play a vital role in restoring balance in nature by purifying the air, enriching the soil, maintaining the water cycle, and providing food and shelter to countless living beings. Just as plants keep the environment healthy and harmonious, they also help restore human health through their natural energy and healing properties. In electrohomeopathy, plant extracts are used in a subtle, energetic form to correct imbalances in the body's vital force, much like how plants restore balance in nature. By drawing on the natural power of plants, electrohomeopathy strengthens the body's own ability to heal, offering a safe and natural way to regain health in harmony with nature.